Why do you want to be an engineer in the first place, Landon?
That's a great question, Jared. Cue my theme music! Hello, Internet, and welcome to Engineering Theory. My name is Landon, and today I'm going to be breaking down the hidden lore of why I want to become an engineer. To start us off, let's break down exactly what an engineer does. At its simplest, an engineer identifies problems and comes up with solutions to said problems. Engineering has many different categories, such as mechanical, civil, and biomedical. However, I myself have chosen chemical engineering. I have always had a strong love for chemistry ever since high school, and I've always known I've wanted to do something along the lines with chemistry. A lot of you may be wondering, what does a chemical engineer even do? A chemical engineer can do many things, but for me specifically, I would either like to process and engineer new pills or work at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. These are two very different paths, but let's look at each one individually. The biopharmaceutical track for chemical engineers focuses on making new medicines and pills. Examples of this can look like working for big pharmaceutical companies such as Thermo Fisher or Pfizer. I am interested in this pathway because I think developing new medicines is a super interesting field and that it could help a lot of people. On the other hand, we have nuclear engineering at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. Some of the reasons I'm interested in this path is because I have had multiple chemical engineers in my family, with one of them being Dr. Sam Hurst. My uncle Sam Hurst worked at Oak Ridge National Laboratory with government clearance, was a physics professor at the University of Kentucky, where I attend now, and most notably invented the earliest form of the touchscreen, the elograph. I am also interested in this path because of my favorite show, Steins Gate. While chemical engineering is not a massive part of this fictional show, engineering as a whole is. You should give the show a try, by the way. However, there is a company called CERN in the show that mimicked the real-life laboratory CERN. In watching the show, it led me to research the real-life CERN, which drug me even deeper into the world of chemical engineering. And that's it. That's the basis of why I want to be a chemical engineer. I find the field of chemistry super fascinating, and no matter what route I take, I can help people, whether it be developing new medicines or developing more reliable, safe nuclear energy. But hey, that's just a theory, an engineering theory. Thanks for watching.